Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So we are listening to music, use Waze's conversational reporting feature, the OK Waze or report police, and after the report your music stays paused. It doesn't resume, so this is a non-issue related to how audio channels are routed on Android. I'm talking about how to fix conversational reporting, not resuming music in Waze. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through it fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, we should know the cause of this. Since conversational reporting in Waze uses the assistant audio channel, when it interrupts your music, it doesn't always release the channel properly. So leaving your media player paused, that's what you're gonna get if we didn't fix the issue. First and first, we want to go to adjust our Waze audio settings. All of this by tapping on the menu, then all the way to settings, go to the voice and sound, and try to switch play sound via if you can see the options. So as you see here, mute Waze during calls, you can activate this. You can play sound to phone speaker as well. You can increase or decrease the guidance volume, check the current voice as well. You can basically do multiple options. Also check your music app settings, since some music apps have settings for how they handle interruptions. In Spotify or Apple Music, look for an option called audio ducking or allow interruptions. Make sure music is set to resume after navigation prompts. If this doesn't work, you have then to reinstall the app and report this to the support. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.